Look at the positives in your negative. That's how you navigate through these negatives. Navigating through hardship is to look at the ease you're in. What is the ease you have? Allah might have taken away a few things from you, but wallahi, He has given you so much more. He might have kept away from you 4 or 5 things. He might have tested you with 5 or 10 things. But trust me, the other millions of things, hundreds of thousands of things He's blessed you with that you've taken for granted. You sit today and count. Count the number of problems you have. What do you have? What has gone wrong in your life? Wallahi, you will count a few things on your hands. That's all. What went wrong in your life? Tell me. What do you think? You'll tell me, I don't have a job, etc. This went wrong, that went wrong. You'll count a few things. I said something similar a few days ago. And a brother comes to me in the evening and says, you know what? You're so right. I was sitting there and smiling at myself, saying, this man is so correct. The problems I have are only 5. 5 major things that have gone wrong. I don't have this, I don't have that, I have this problem, this issue, this and this issue. That's it. And what went right in your life? MashaAllah, you're breathing, you're seeing, you're speaking, you have clothing, you have a place to go to. You might be struggling a little bit. People sometimes, if they cannot get the luxuries that they're aiming for, they become depressed. But that was a luxury.